Hello all my crafty friends and welcome back to my channel. This is Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am talking about how I go through my scraps and what I do. Now I used to keep every single piece of scrap. I was one of those people who would think that I was going to create something out of it, and I've come to the conclusion this year that I just need to get rid of it. And I've been having a system where anytime I'm scrapbooking, whatever is left, I tend to either throw it away right away or I put it in this bin, and I keep all of my borders or strips in this little guy right here. And I keep these on my desk and kind of go through them if I need anything. Like this is just kind of like a random junk thing, but it is a little bit, my space is kind of a little small. I mean, it is just one room, but I do other things with my space. So I have to keep it a little bit cleaner. So I need to go through these. And I've been just throwing some random stuff in here, and I kind of want to go through it, and I thought that this would be a great video to show you guys kind of what I am deciding to keep, what I'm going to get rid of, and how I'm going to store my scraps. Now, the way I store my scraps now, I don't really care for it as much, so I do plan on trying to change that so that I don't have a whole lot of scraps, and really just working on minimizing the scrap. Like if I see it on here, I'm going to try to use it as much as possible, but these have been left here for a little bit, so I'm going to go through them and kind of see what I like and what I don't like. So with pieces like this that have like a little bit left, I'm just going to get rid of them. I've played around with some dies, and that's another good thing. A good tip is to use your stuff to build up your stash. Use your scraps to build up your stash. So I do look at it this way. Whereas if I can get a die in there, like a bow die, and get an extra bow out of it, then yeah. But like this right here, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any dies out of it, and if I am, it's going to be really, really tiny. So this will probably go. I'm going to keep both of these because I feel like I could get a couple things out of this. I'll keep this one. These I probably will keep these and maybe do, see, this is where I get like a little, I don't know. We'll put them in the I don't know pile. This right here I'm going to keep. I could always format a photo on this. This I'm going to keep. This I'm going to get rid of. This I'm going to keep. I don't know why I'm keeping this, but I'm going to get rid of that. This could be really cute for a photo or a journaling block, so I'm going to keep that. I think I was originally going to keep these and cut these out, but I'm just going to get rid of it. These are some really cute banners that are left over, so I am going to keep those. There is more banners right here. So I'm going to keep those. This is a journaling spot. I will keep that. Some more banners. These are all just like little sayings. So I think I'm going to keep these and put these in my embellishment or my ephemera box, which you have seen in my last video. And these are all cards, like envelopes. So I think I'm going to get rid of these because they're kind of thin. These were for a project I was working on. I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to get rid of these because I don't need them and they're very tiny. These right here I'm going to actually keep, the longer ones. This one right here might be an I don't know. And there's no wrong or right way of doing this. It's really however you see your scraps. And I've just throughout the years of scrapbooking, I have grown to know myself. And sorry, I cannot talk. And I feel like if it's really tiny, I'm not able to use it. Like I can't even, and I was just wasting space because I should have cleared it out and made room for more paper that I could actually use. So these are all little blacks. I'm going to put them in the maybe. This, definitely, yes. This is another one of those little ephemeras. I'm going to keep all these, and this one I'm probably going to get rid of. I'm going to keep this, keep the red, and keep that one. Keep that one, and that one's a maybe. So I think I'm going to get rid of all these. I do not need them. And they're just so tiny that I really don't think I'm going to use them at all. So there we go. That is a clear bin. Actually, no, there's one more piece left, and that went to the same collection. I did have this little foam piece, so that'll go with my foam. And then the last thing I'm going to look at is my border strips. And so with these, I want them to be a little bit longer. And if you see these I saved for this piece, I think I'm just going to get rid of them. I don't know why I'm keeping them. So I'm going to get rid of them because they're not like this I will probably keep. This I'm going to keep. This I'm going to get rid of. This I'm going to get rid of. This one I'll keep. I just need to cut the barcode off of it. That one I'll keep. That one I'll keep. This one I'm probably going to get rid of. This one I'm going to keep. This one I'm going to keep. That one I'm going to keep. That one I'm going to keep. 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 Keep all of these probably. And probably just put them in with my stash of borders and long things. So out of all that, I'm going to recycle this paper and use the other paper to make other different kind of layouts, maybe some rosettes. So that is that. So let me show you guys a little bit of what, and see, this actually goes on top of that. So I could use this for another, for something else to store. So I'm going to keep this on my desk, or the windowsill right next to my desk. And let me get out my scraps. So I'm going to move these off to the side because I know these are going to go into my ephemera box. And then this is going to go into my little, let me pull it out. I have like this little bin or little baggie full of foam stuff that I keep, like the little pieces. So I have that in my drawer. All right. So do not judge. This is not in any kind of order. I really need to get these under control because it's a little bit crazy. So this right here is where I have all of my borders, and I have these hair ties from my daughter's hair ties collection, holding all these stuff together. And then I just have like some random borders in here and random stickers. Just anything that is long and thin, I keep in here. So I do have them by color, and then some of them I just have laying in there. So for the time being, until I figure out what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put them clipped together because I feel like these are all borders, and clip them together like just like using one of these clips that I just found, and have them on the outside so that way I know that if I go in here and organize it, these just gotta be, I think they either have to go through it or something because it's a little crazy.